Hey guys, so welcome back to another episode of the Daily Entertainment Gossip Show right here on GHTV. So if you are new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime we drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so guys, I know I've been away for a while. A lot of people have actually been hitting me up, and those who did, I give you thumbs up for that. Yes, so and also those who also didn't, I know you guys have been monitoring proceedings. Yes, so I'm back, and I'm back for good. And this time around, as we started a new month, September, I'm going to do my possible best to give you guys back-to-back entertainment, news and gossip, and also interviews, and also content you love to watch. You can also drop your comment, or you can also suggest content you'd like to see on this channel in the comment section below. I'll actually pay attention to it and also deliver, as because I'm here because of you. So what you want is what I'm going to give to you guys. Anyway, that's notwithstanding, we are zooming into today's gossip, and the gossip is going to be about Wendy, Shay, Akuapem Poloo, and also Sister Debbie. So let me start from the camp of Wendy Shay. Yes, so Wendy Shay is set to drop a new EP dubbed Enigma. Yes, so we all know Wendy Shay dropped a single titled Survivor, which a lot of people, read meanings into it, that she's heartbroken and whatever. Some people also attacked her by saying that the song she dropped, she was actually attacking men because she was calling men some kind of names and all that. But then she has actually made a fresh announcement that she's going to drop a new EP titled Enigma. When you look at the name, or when you look at the meaning of enigma simply means something mysterious, something or of a thing or person which is actually difficult to understand. And we all know, since when Shay broke into the music scene, she's been a center of controversies, especially how she was introduced to the Ghanaian, populace, especially from the demise of Ebony and all that. And I think this is the EP that she wants to, explain herself explain herself to Ghanaians and all that. So she actually made announcements through a short video, something like a photo shoot, and in the end of the video she said Enigma. And I don't know, but I'll try and follow this particular EP, or let me say follow Wendy Shay, to give you guys the up-to-date with regards to this particular project, because I believe that the Enigma project is going to be very, very huge. Because Wendy Shay, from her humble beginnings and where she sees herself, I can say this project is going to be wild. We're going to see a lot of collaborations, if not at all some international collaboration on this particular EP. And Wendy Shay has actually come to stay. Therefore, for her to make this announcement as an Enigma EP, I don't know, I'm expecting something huge, and I also know you guys are also expecting something huge from her. And I know definitely the Survivor song is going to be on the EP amongst other songs that she's yet to release. Okay guys, so what are actually your expectations on this particular Enigma project, or this particular EP? Let me hear from you in the comment section below. Let's get interactive in there. Yeah, so next on my gossip for today is Akuapem Poloo. Akuapem Poloo is in the news, and she's saying that she doesn't really know why, her relationship between Fella Makafui and Medikal has actually, gone down the drain. And going days when Fella Makafui and Medikal and Akuapem Poloo are very, very close, and I would like to attribute the reason why their relationship is no more there as to the fact that when news broke out that Fella Makafui was getting married to Medikal, I quite remember Akuapem Poloo did a live video, or if not a live video, she did a short video of which she posted on her Instagram page, disclosing the reason why Fella Makafui or Medikal is getting married to Fella Makafui. Okay, and she vividly, I remember she said that Fella Makafui is pregnant, or was pregnant. That's the reason why Medikal is in a rush to settle down. And I believe this particular statement made by Akuapem Poloo on social media, or let me say a public medium like social media, did not really sit down well with Medikal and Fella Makafui. Therefore, I'm sure they also try to distance themselves from Akuapem Poloo. And I've been to several events, both ambassadorial signing, press releases and all that from both camps, and all of the places that I've been, I didn't see Akuapem Poloo. Likewise, when Akuapem Poloo was also holding something of herself, you don't see Fella Makafui and Medikal there. So actually, Fella Makafui was actually interviewed on Base One TV, and she was asked what happened between the relationship between her and Fella Makafui and also Medikal, and she disclosed that for her, she didn't see, or she does not understand why, you know, they distance themselves from her. But for her, she doesn't have anything to do with them. Like, she doesn't have any bad blood with them, and that if they have an event and they invite her, she will come. Likewise, she will also invite them and all that. But she has said it, but then they're saying that action speaks louder than words. From what we've seen, we can say that, or we can attribute the fact that the reason why they distance, or the reason why their relationship is not there, or they're not in talking terms, as a result of what ensured some years back. Yeah, so last but not least, on today's gossip, we have Sister Debbie saying that she's not in a rush to get married, and therefore she getting married will not, you know, put food on her table, or she will not get money out of marriage. And I don't know, but we're in a society where people, you know, give people pressure, where especially when they attain certain ages and you expect them to, you know, settle down and all that. And Sister Debbie, we all know, is of age, and even though I thought, we know she's in her 30s, and we've seen her, you know, grow in the industry. We've seen her dates couple of men in the industry, and people that she has dated, some of them have, you know, settled down or are married and all that, and I think it's actually getting some people worried. So Sister Debbie was interviewed on Amaya TV, and a question came up as to, you know, her plans for marriage and all that, and she said that it's actually the last thing on her mind, and she does not let the pressure from society or from the pressure from people get to her. She believes when the time is right for her to settle down, she settle down, and that if she doesn't marry, or she marries, will she be paid $5 million or $3 million, or will marriage put an amount of money in her bank account? No. So therefore, she should not let anybody give her pressure and all that. And I think this has to do with the fact that she's in a new relationship and she's been flaunting the guy on social media, and people do not want it to be like, you know, the likes of Joey B, Medikal, and just to mention a few. So people I want to know that, is there any plan, or are there plans in the pipeline for her to get married, especially when she, you know, we all know she fell out of a relationship and her ex-boyfriend is actually married and has a child and all that. Therefore, people are expecting her to also quickly settle down and also come out with a child, or you know how our system is like. Yes, so that's about that. Guys, do you really agree with, you know, Sister Debbie saying that she will not be pressured by people to get married, and when the time is due for her to get married, she should get married, and therefore marriage does not, you know, credit her bank account and all that? Let me hear your thoughts and comments in the comment section. Let's get interactive in there. Yes, so all too soon I've come to the end of the day entertainment gossip show right here on Odate GHTV. As I said earlier, if you are new here and haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button, so that anytime we drop a new content, you'll be the first to be notified. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's peace.